that stunk. Man, I've never known diesel smell like that bad. Jeez. But they know any better, he had burn rings. Oh my God. Right down there. I didn't see the other one stop. See it? Right down there. Well, if I keep looking, I keep looking off in distance, not the camera, and I usually get off. Can you see it down there? Yeah. Don't know. Don't know.